Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to log out from a Truecaller. So this is my account right now that I'm currently logged in on. Very easy to log out. All you need to do is close Truecaller first. Once we have closed this up, we come to settings. And this is what you do, okay? Scroll down and I want you to access your app management or your app list wherever you have your list of apps. And scroll all the way down to Truecaller. So it's around a T. There we go. I'll open this up. And what I need you to do is click on storage and cache. Okay? And click on clear cache and then clear storage. So this will delete all the app data. That is fine. You can click on a delete. There we go. Now if I go back and launch Truecaller again, it's gonna try to sign me back in. Look at this. Okay? Really that easy and simple.